HSC has 3 programs. The first, the Prosperity Campaign, is the one that links low and moderate income families to the services that will help them become economically stable. And the Prosperity Campaign works through a network of other organizations, and we have great partnership with institutions like the United Way, many banks, the IRS, Miami-Dade County, and so on. The second program area is our Civic Life Academy, and that is all about engaging people in participating in civic change. So we have leadership programs for adults, for parents, for neighborhood residents, for youth leaders, and we teach people about advocacy and participating in making civic change. We have events called Imagine Miami Summits, which are bringing people together to share what they're doing in the community to make it a better place, and learning new techniques and being inspired by each other to make even more of a difference. And our third program area is our newest emerging area, and it's about social impact. So it's a working title because we're just in the beginning stages, but the Social Impact Incubator, or Social Impact Inc., is about helping others to participate through their programs. So all of the great energy of new nonprofits, existing nonprofits, how to help them have more impact in what they do, not just to provide the service well, but also how they can link with their communities and make social change so that they can one day address the problem at its root and not just to provide services. We're a very values-oriented organization. The people that come to work at HSC and the board members and the volunteers and even the participants in our leadership programs are very passionate people who care greatly about humanity and how they can make a difference. And so the values that we've identified we best exemplify and are most important are compassion, justice, humanity, collaboration. These are the things that make us who we are, and we believe are essential to make better communities. When you have ambitious goals like we do to address economic and social justice, you can't do it alone. You have to do it in collaboration with others. So over the years, going on 15, we've had wonderful partnerships, and we work with neighborhood-based organizations serving different communities, the Colombian American, the Haitian American, in Little Havana, in Liberty City, in Deep South Dade, in West Miami, and North Miami, every area we have partnerships with local organizations that are well known to community residents there. And by linking our services through them, we're able to reach more people and have more credibility and have more impact. So many nonprofits don't work particularly with the business community except as financial donors. And a few years back we realized that if we were going to have success, we were going to have to find ways to make the business case, that we could work with businesses to help them see how our work is essential to the future of their business, the competitiveness, the viability of the entire economy as well as their own business. So we launched the Prosperity Campaign in strong alliance with the business community. The Chamber of Commerce was a big supporter, the United Way was a big supporter through their business contacts, and many others, the banks, as I've said. And the idea is that we're all connected, that we need a strong workforce, we need well-educated workers, we need strong families and strong communities, or our community cannot thrive. So we find programs from all around the country that we think will be useful here, and we've become the pioneers bringing new programs. So we invent some, but we also adapt some. And one of the most successful is called Public Allies. It's a program that was founded in Milwaukee and is now in 15 cities. We were the 15th. And youth leaders are trained in how to demonstrate leadership early on in the nonprofit setting, a few government settings as well, but always about making change at the community level. So stories has become a central component of our work. We train people to tell their stories, and we work with them and support them to bring those stories into a public setting. People are coming to the Human Services Coalition because they see a high energy and a high commitment and a passion to making a difference in society. I think, however, we've now reached a new doorway, and that with the beginning of the incubator for social impact, the social impact work will help frame our work so that people can understand that yes, we've tried many things and some of them have been more successful than others. We know that the prosperity work is critical. We know that the civic work is critical. Those two pillars, what I call economic opportunity and civic participation, are the building blocks of what we do. And at the end of the day, we're about delivering those programs to the community, but building the long-term capacity of people, of the organizations, and the communities to sustain meaningful social change.